Ace Boone Coons. What it do? 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 Buenos dias, buenos dias, buenos dias. Good day, grand rising. Today is January 22nd, 2025, and I am 35 days clean, sober from the cocaina, the cocaina. Big fucking deal, right? Anyway, excuse my language. Today we are going to keep it 100, and I am here to tell you guys my story, somewhat. Okay? You ready to hear it? Psych, it's none of your business. Just kidding. My story begins with fucking coke. That was killing me. Cocaine, sex go hand in hand. I don't know if I was more addicted to the sexual pleasure, desire of meeting like new women type shit. You know what I'm saying? And then the satisfaction I got, the enhanced satisfaction I got off the cocaine, um, became a pattern. Wasn't an everyday user, thank God, but still as lowly as one. You know what I mean? As depressed as one, and damn, had to snap out of it. And I'm going to tell you this: if you need help, if you or anyone you need help, you gotta want it. First of all, you gotta want it. You gotta admit. You gotta see your problem is you yourself, your own brain, your own thoughts, your own decision making. You feel me? Some people need medication. Some people could do it without. But the I believe the 85% of the antidote is, and I'm not giving you advice. I don't do that. I don't do that anymore. You know, advice is only if you ask for it. But I can share my story. My story, um, drug of choice was coke, you know. Um, and damn, it's a little tough. I get it. But the hardest part was admitting it. The hardest part after that was saying it out loud to others, sharing my story like I'm trying to do now, you know? So 85% of the antidote to your poison, to your addiction, is saying it out loud, sharing your story. The more I share my story, I feel like I have to at this point. Like groups, meetings, they help. Yeah, definitely. I try to go to a group every day, you know. And there's 24/7 NA groups. Okay, sorry if I'm rambling on, if I'm getting off track, but I'm trying to find the words to feel comfortable in telling a bunch of fucking strangers on camera that I don't know how many millions, thousands, or hundreds or will see this, but hopefully it reaches the right people, and I believe it will. I have faith. That is another thing that helped me very much is faith. There is a supreme being, and it is Jesus Christ. In my opinion, my humble opinion, Jesus Christ has helped me a whole bunch. Meditating, praying helps, but share your story. The more you tell your story, the more weight comes off of you. Those demons flee. I feel like those demons began it was like a insecticide being sprayed the more I spoke. So your words do have power, and the truth will set you free. Please listen to that. Again, it's not advice, but try it. You know what I mean? It's my part of my story, and I've heard other people say it. That's why I'm not calling it advice, but that's my story. I'm sharing it with you. Share your story. Please, if you have a problem, if you cannot find a way out, a solution to your problem, first of all, admit it. Second of all, share your story. Share your story with strangers. Share your stories with whoever you can, whoever you want, whoever you choose, but try to do it every day, and it will keep the demons away. Trust me. Resist. It's an enhancement to your resistance. You have to resist, and the devil will flee. That is true. The truth will set you free. That is also true. But you need to speak it. You need to say it out loud. Say it out loud. Say the truth. It is liberating. Literally liberated. Anyway, today's video is going to be on nature. If you have any questions, comment below, email me, reach out to me, you know. I am here for you, fam. Straight up and down, like no joke. All jokes aside, I will humbly be here for you. I'm not saying I'm humble. I'm working on myself. That's the next thing I'm doing, is killing my ego. Some of us have hella ego, and that shit slows you down. You know what I mean? Ambition and ego is two different things. I have ambition. I want to succeed. I know my worth. You know what I mean? But you got to serve. And serving kills your ego. Speaking the truth, being free, not worrying about who's listening or what they're going to say, who's judging. Fuck it, bro. Everyone has problems. Remember that. We all have problems. The first person to throw a stone has the biggest problem. Believe me, bro. They're just hiding something and they're in fear of something. So I hope this helps. God bless you. Today's video is going to be on nature. I'm done. Okay. If this is too much for you, I'm going to put it in the description. Skip. The video starts in 6 minutes and 30 seconds, which is how much talking I've been doing. I am so sorry. I usually don't speak that much, but I got a lot of crazy shit to say, to tell you, to remind, to let you know. Dude, it's funny. Anyway, next video. If you really want to hear it, let me know. I got some fucking crazy addict stories and dang. Is that a leopard for real? Oof. Oh, that's another monkey. Oh no. That's monkey on monkey crime. That's fucked up. I thought it was about to rip its arm off. I hope that's not the mom. What do they do with it? Those legs.
And if you have your head in a hole, best have a lookout. Monkeys can't survive
That stance.
without these minerals, and predators know it.
Oh, I needed this. I love nature, bro.
A warning from the lookout. It's not a false alarm. A jaguar. Rarely seen, but the Amazon's top predator. With the jaguar gone, the monkeys return.
Ooh, I thought it was gonna rip that monkey's arm off when he was slamming that other monkey. Holy cow. They are savage, my brothers. I needed this. I love nature, dude. Yo, one thing about my addiction and recovery, I know it's only been 35 days. Yeah. I love that the obsession is being finalized. I feel like I'm not obsessing over this shit anymore like I used to. And number two, I am so grateful and looking forward to waking up the next day and seeing what magic, because there's been some magic happening, dude, for 35 days straight. It's been fucking beautiful. It's like synchronicity or whatever you want to call it, coincidences and stuff, but it's pretty magical. God is great, guys. Yes, sir. Next. Ooh, we about to get naughty. Hold up. Look at this. Guess what this is? Yo, my man was just showing off at that point. Hell, he wasn't even fucking nothing. My man, He said, look what I got. Check this out. This is how the sea eats a dead seal.
Animals are swarming here in such numbers because of this. A dead seal pup. 3-meter-long carnivorous nematine worms, red sea stars, and urchins carpet the sea floor. Such a great quantity of food may only arrive once in 10 years, but a seal's body won't be easy to eat. Nematines have a snout like a harpoon that enables them to puncture the skin of the corpse. It's harder work for the sea stars. They feed by pushing out their stomachs through their mouths. As this sea star presses its stomach against the seal's skin, it secretes digestive juices that dissolve the seal's tissue. But that takes time. These scavengers will feed here throughout the summer until all that remains of the seal will be a skeleton stripped bare.
Bro, I don't know about you, but that was mesmerizing. That was fascinating. I didn't know sea stars like pulsated their stomach out, and that's where their mouth is. So they kind of like just feed, they barely feed on juices and like secretion. I don't know. Weird, nasty, awesome, all the feels. That was cool.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight.
Поездки.
I mean, do y'all see? It looks like a Ferris wheel in the background. That's got to be a domesticated cat or heaven. You feel me? Or, I mean, sometimes I also play with my food before I eat it. Yeah, dig. That was pretty cool. That reminds me of the Jehovah's Witness pamphlets they used to leave when they, with all the pictures of all the animals and playing with humans. This is fucking nuts. This is a whole lion with its spine was snapped in half, and rumor has it it was a black mamba. Peep. Oof. Oof. Damn, that's kind of sad though. Jesus, it was. I assume it was in trying to eat itself. It was in so much pain. Oof. God bless you, fam. Y'all ever see a baby bear eat a Happy Meal? Pete? Ooh, I'm gonna run that back. Mama bear said, fuck that. Oof. Mama and Papa. Damn, left the youngin' behind. Aw. Damn. In case y'all were asking, that was a baby bear catching a baby boar. Did it look, was it just me or look like he looked at the camera? I said, look, I got one. Oof, y'all gonna hate me for this. Psych. You gotta be quicker than that. Hold up. Yo, how many of y'all like birds? I got a woodpecker in my backyard, and that motherfucker got a whole big ass ancestral tree dying from top to bottom. It is wild. But just nature doing its thing. I saw a bald eagle in my backyard this past week. That motherfucker is big, too. And he's got a big beak. Yikes. 0 fucks given by that Boyd. Yo, this song still hits, especially with nature videos.
Run.
I love it. I love it. Oh, damn. A big ass vulture, dude. Those are hyenas? Damn, show something, fam. I'm sorry. Beautiful.
Just like it.
Gorgeous. Damn, son. Beautiful as hell. You locked in too. You see the mice? Gorgeous. That is truly majestic. I've always found these type of apes the most fascinating. That and the silverback gorilla. Incredible. Gorgeous. Different as hell. You know, very alien-like. Very, very smart.
So ravens are excellent at mimicking sounds they hear. Mischief, can you say hello?
Hello.
Good bird. He does all sorts of voices. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Good job. And sometimes he hears people who have a cold. Good job, Mischief. Well, hi.
Hi.
Good boy. Hello.
Hi. Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Hi.
This isn't working out, Daniel. Good bird. So ravens are excellent.
That is creepy, yet magical, beautiful. Whatever you want to call it. Bruh. I don't know what the fuck that was. Oof. Oh my god. A hyena hunting another. That was a hyena hunting another hyena. Fucking savages, dude. This fuck boy. Gorgeous. Bro, that motherfucker make me want to work out. For real. About to hit some push-ups. Give me a minute. Be right back. And we're back. And these two motherfuckers see red. You can see it in their eyes. Peep. Hold up. Pause your videos. I'm taking bets. Who's got it? Who's going to win this match? My money's on the seal.
But adult walrus are tough, well-armed, and
Walrus.
agile in water, and could fatally injure the bear.
He's failed.
The narrow reaches here are backed by cliffs, and some walrus scramble up them, escaping the crowd. At the top, they are 80 meters above the beach.
But this is not a place.
Where a walrus should be. Nor are they the only ones to have found it. The bears have got out here too. The walrus's instinct is to find safety in the water.
They can still smell the sea.
And they can hear it.
Okay, graphic content alert. I don't know about y'all, but I love it. Don't mean I'm twisted, but this is nature, bro. Nature's awesome. Wild dogs tear and eat a poor warthog in 2 minutes.
Why was I?
The warthog's coming there. The mother warthog. Holy smokes! That one. Make a video of that one.
Oh, shit.
Dad! Oh, he's coming after us. Holy shit.
He's gone. You don't know.
And there goes the rest of them out of there again, but I got that. Get him out of his misery, poor baby.
Yeah, the warthog.
Right behind you in this bush.
Yeah. That's only the meat.
Aww.
Yeah, shaking. You see the way they're shaking?
Oh my God.
Oh, jeez, look at this.
Yep. They're hungry. What do you want? This is life. Look how fast this is going down, ladies and gentlemen.
Why was I?
Now, those were not hyenas. Those were just wild dogs. Jesus. God, did you see that attempted rescue, though? Oh, my God. You need to try harder, bro. Look. Oh, check it out. Wild dog versus hyena. Place your bets. Hyena always. I mean, wild dogs, damn, they got a jaw. Jesus. Yo, they are some brave dogs. Yeah. Yo, he was telling him, bro, I'm about to fuck these dudes up. Let me take a shit on them. This is how I'm gonna shit on them. You see him taking his shit at the end? He said, dude, this is how we're gonna shit on these hyenas. Yeah, that was funny. This next one's a banger. I don't care what no one says. This is a straight banger. Straight heat. Fuck the UFC. This is what it's all about.
One bite, everything is gone. It's out. Yeah, that's you see, you don't have to wait. There is another hyena. Check the leopard is coming. There is another hyena on the field. Oh, yes, yes, there's another hyena there. There is another hyena there. Oh. This is, wow, then the fight, then the hyena. The fight. Oh, that's like the main one. That's a big croc. Here comes the other hyena. This one hasn't eaten anything, so he's going to attack the croc. He'll try and take everything. Yeah, it was a big one. Yeah, you see, he's bold, this one. He hasn't eaten yet. He's running away now. Where's that leopard on? He's just next to the... Hey, let's see the fight now. Hyena versus crocodile. The hyena is not taking the knee fast. Scavenging. The leopard is running away. But this crocodile is not going to assist him up there. You see, the problem is now in hot day. You see, in hot day. In hot day. Give me back. You see that hyena? It is doing that. That water packet is scary. You know what? It's not moving, it's not doing anything. You see now, the hyena it is taking... inside the mouth of the croc. This is what's going on. Oh, yeah, tug of war. No, it's a all. But this croc is just like the why not going up? Yeah, so that hyena is strong. Hey, tough. I need one for a pet. Yeah. This was for what? Oh, that's uncommon. That's very good. But let me tell you, what is happening? You see? Yeah, it's coming down to the
Bro, that's pretty incredible. The pressure, I think crocodiles have up to 800 pounds of pressure in their jaw. Could be more, depending on the size. But damn, crocodile versus hyena, there you go. I thought he was going to eat the hyena low-key. I got a little too excited about that one. Here's a fun fact. Did you know there are 500 deaths by hippo on human? 500 humans a year are killed by a hippo. And 22 lion deaths. 22 humans are killed by lions per year. So there's more hippo deaths. Now I hope that was just a smooth transition, and I hope YouTube does not ban this next video. It's just nature, bruh. Damn. But I'm saying, like, you see how she's asking? Damn, son. I mean, they gotta be married, right? Oh, bro. I wonder if they were strangers. Like, how long ago did they meet? Like, just a one-night stand? Oh, hell no. She's braiding his hair now, bro. They're married. They gotta be a thing, right? Hey, no offense. Don't take anything personal. It's just nature. You feel me?
Happen like that. to something. Hope that you're up to something. Scandalous.
What was that? What was that? Come on. We can do better. Check this out. Majestic. Would you love them or hate them? It depends how much shit they leave on my yard. This is a lot of horses, people. 1, 2, 3. It's 3. Is that an omen or what?
Take a moment to breathe.
Beautiful.
I don't want you to leave me. I can't lie, I hate my life. Sometimes I wish I caught your eye.
That looks like a development, like a community. It does. I do not see any farmland around. I could be wrong, but I'd welcome them, of course. Hell yeah, I'd welcome them. Hey, they say if you stare, walk, or live, or you know, look at a body, any body of water, it helps your anxiety. It helps your thoughts. It puts you in a nice mental place. So, with that being said, look at this video for the rest of your life. Subscribe, like, comment, all that dumb YouTube shit. Just kidding. Don't. Do not subscribe. Do not like. None of that. That beautiful? It looks like AI, bro. You don't even know what's real anymore. Nature is awesome, though. Now, I'm not gonna lie. When I go to the zoo, this is what I expect to see, my man. Keep giving these fucking gorillas C4, dude. Whatever you're giving them, Asheboro, North Carolina Zoo, y'all better have some action like this. They're just playing, bro. They're brothers, dude. These people are freaking out. And just remember the transfer of energy. If there's an anxious person in the room, if you're not aware, you're going to get very anxious. Okay, that's just the way fucking life works. Tesla said, if you want to understand the universe, look at it as energy. And I don't know. All right, we're coming to an end, so I'm going to just play some of my favorites. I got a nature collection in my TikTok. I'm gonna shut the fuck up now. sorry. I am going to stop cursing someday. I don't see what the big deal is, but I get it. All right, no more talking. Hercules! And the cat. Snitch! Holy shit, that was beautiful, dude. That was awesome. I tried this, by the way. It doesn't work.
Which means, come here.
Oh shit!
What the? Oh my god. Ni cagando. Ni cagando.
So cute.
Which means
Meh. My cat's a little shit. It might work for you. You ever heard of a cloud burst? Cloud just came out of nowhere, fam. That shit's crazy. It's so beautiful. Legit. Now that's majestic. Super majestic.